everyone, my name is Kashish. So today we talk about something which is so important. It's a crown to a girls. Yes, I'm talking about hair. I really fed up on answering those questions which is countlessly asking that how you are able to maintain such a long, growy, such a shiny hair. The reason behind is super simple. This Krig's hair oil. Just come in between two colors, which is 1 and 5 in 1, which helps me to grow more with shine and more authentic. These are the products from Krig's. I'm in love with these products. Earlier, before using these products, I was in anxiety whether I go for it or not and all. But the time I have started using these products, I'm in love with this texture, color, fragrance, their results, everything is super authentic. Not only me, my friends, my family, my mother, my sister, everyone out there is using the same product. So many of the people who continuously asking, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि क्यों ना एक पोर्टल पे आके ही सबको बताया जाए कि प्लीज गो हेड फॉर, बिकॉज I really don't want to recommend you something which is not I'm personally using. These are the products which I personally used. These are my 5th sachet which I am using it right now, and you won't believe the result, the texture, everything from Krig's is super authentic. If आपको कोई products के लिए जाना ही है, then why not Krig's? These are the products which every girl, the results from these products is the every girl's dream. Same do I have at the same point of time, because many of the people who knows that I am a MBA aspirant, तो मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता. I know what that tight schedule exactly means. तो मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता to get over those things and invest for the self care and what, because मेरे लिए वो Krig's खुद ही कर लेता है यार. मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास इतना एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स लगाने की एनर्जी नहीं है. बट सिंस आई एम यूजिंग Krig's, it's happening. I'm getting what I actually want. Like no extra efforts, nothing. And the amount, which is super minimal, everyone can afford. Like इतने ऑर्गेनिक, इतने आयुर्वेदिक, इतने ऑथेंटिक प्रोडक्ट्स आपको इस रेंज में कहीं और नहीं मिलेंगे. And I'm also using the tablets, which is hair care tablet and head care, because sometimes the whole protein we need to grow, to have a long, shiny, growy, so volumed hair. So these are the tablets which give you protein as well. These are the chemical, paraben free. You can use it, any age group can use it. And I'm personally using it. I won't recommend you something which I personally don't use it. My whole family, as I already told you, my whole family is using the same product. The shampoos, fragrance, everything is super authentic. Everything is super nice. So please give a try. Please give a shot. You won't regret. Actually, since I'm using Krig's product, I won't switch anywhere. Anywhere. Like I'm in love with these products. Love is like love. It's better with the product, because you won't imagine how good, healthy, shiny hairs I got it, which I was not having before Krig's. सच में you won't believe, ऐसे texture, ऐसी smoothness, ऐसी glowiness मेरे बालों में पहले नहीं थी. I really look after that baby hairs kind of coming to me, but since these, I really love with my hair. Like every girl had that dream to have such a long, shiny, smooth freaking hairs, which I am having. So I've already told you whatsoever I was experienced with Krig's. So please do a try, order yours, and have this long, shiny, beautiful hairs. Thank you.